Today we're here to talk to you about the Oklahoma Proven Program, which has actually been around for a good 20 years, and we're actually celebrating 20 years of promotion of plant material that grows well in Oklahoma. And I've been helping with that program for the past several years, and today I have with me Lou Anella, who was actually initially involved when we started the program. Back in 1999 is actually when it started, I believe. It was the first introduction of plants.
It was actually the idea of Dale Marinick. He was our department head at that time, and he wanted to do a promotional program that would highlight plants that would do well throughout the state of Oklahoma. And so as a new faculty member at the time, I got stuck with the program. It was really a lot of fun to do the program and to get it started. And so he asked me to do that, and I did it. And one of the things that I changed in the program from how he envisioned it is that I made it a consumer program, that it really targeted the consumers and let them know what were the good plants that they could start to grow at home and have success with, and then hopefully feel confident and then branch out a little bit further. So it really is a great program for getting people to know what to start out with and what they can be sure they'll have success with.
Right, yeah. So we have included the industry, we've included the growers, we've included other horticulturists in the state to get their input and expertise as we choose the plants each year, right?
Yeah, they help us choose the plants. So we've traditionally had a committee of people, industry people, academics, that choose the plants that they choose the plants that they know will do well.
Right.
And then we promote those plants. And the hope is that we can get the industry on board to grow those plants for us or to catch up. You know, if the consumers are requesting them, hopefully then that the industry will get on board and grow those plants for us.
Right. And I think consumers will find that not all of the plants that we have promoted are necessarily plants that you can just walk down to any garden center and purchase. And because of that, I think that one of the reasons is for that educational purpose in terms of helping them know that there's a lot more out there than just the run-of-the-mill plants that you can find in most of the garden centers. That we want them to branch out and try something new.
Yeah, but that has been a point of debate, in the committee, because what's the point of promoting something if people can't find it? So we tried to strike a balance, and one of the ways we struck that balance was to introduce collector's choice. So that was a plant that, maybe would take a little bit of extra care in Oklahoma, may not be as foolproof as some of the others, or maybe a little bit harder to find, maybe not available, right down the street. You might have to order it online or something. But we wanted to expand the palette a little bit. We didn't want to be promoting all things that are really common and, just kind of run-of-the-mill.
Right.
So that was one way that we designated that to kind of expand the palette.
Yeah, yeah. So each year we choose an annual, a perennial, and a tree and a shrub that we promote. And then we do the collector's choice as well. So, here we have a whole bunch of plants. Actually, these are all, looks like they're all annuals that we have chosen over the years. So there's a wide variety of plants, as you can see here. We continue to promote additional plants each year. So this year, for 2019, we actually have, this is our Oklahoma Proven 20th Anniversary Celebration booklet that's brand new, and it has all of the plants in here from the beginning of the program with nice color pictures and explanations or descriptions of the plants. And this is available online as a PDF file, or if you're interested in purchasing a copy, that can be done as well. If you go to our Oklahoma Proven website, which also has information about all the plants and pictures, etc. You can again get the information about all of them.
So you've been instrumental in keeping the program going. What's being promoted for this year?
The tree for this year is actually limber pine, which I think is a beautiful pine, and it's really quite adapted to a wide variety of soil conditions. And I think it does well here in Oklahoma.
Yeah, the thing about pine trees and many evergreens, all evergreens actually, is people don't think that they need to be irrigated in the winter. But here in Oklahoma, they do.
That's true.
So that's the crucial part about getting evergreens to survive, is that winter irrigation.
That's right. That's right. For the shrub, we actually chose a new series for the flowering quince. It actually has beautiful camellia-like, double flowering camellia-like flowers, and they are spectacular.
They are spectacular.
Red and
really
orange,
bright.
Really bright colors.
And upright, more of an upright form, which is more attractive, I think.
Yep. And then our perennial is the rattlesnake master.
I love that.
The Eryngium yuccifolium, which I think is a great plant. and very drought tolerant.
Yeah.
So great plant for Oklahoma, especially western Oklahoma, or people that are looking for a plant that requires less water. And then the annual is actually a pentas, and it's also a series that we chose that has a very uniform habit and lots of flowers. And of course, just in general, pentas are great plants and flower well and attract butterflies to the
Yep.
garden.
And flower all summer long.
Flower all
season.
summer long, yeah. So, over the years, we have, the program has evolved, like you said, and we initially started out with all kinds of different, we've had different types of publications over the years to, help promote that program. So this is one of the earlier ones that you had produced that had several plants in it. And as we filled it up, we had to go to another style where we could continue to add plants to it. So we had this one, and these are all past publications. We also had a wonderful booklet that everybody loved. But again, as you continue to add 4 or 5 plants every year, that's 4 or 5 new pages. Kind of got expensive to produce this. So we went to something a little bit more simpler. Now we have the rack cards that have the year's plants on them. And then if you want to know, it has the information about how to find out what the other plants are by going to the website.
Right, so all the information for all 20 years is on the website, including this new booklet, the 20-year anniversary. So the PDF is on there, and also the booklet is available for purchase as well.
Yes, yes. Well, any other comments, Lou, about the program?
Well, I think it's been really helpful to consumers. I think it's a really great way to get started with gardening, get more confidence, and then branch out. And I hope we can continue this program for another 20 years.
All right. Well, that's all we have. Hope you can join us or visit the website and look for information. The logo, this is a common logo for the program, and this is available online. And look for it in the garden centers. So the garden centers and nurseries use this logo too to help identify plants that have been chosen for the program. So if you're looking for the plants that we know are pretty good performers for Oklahoma, this is the place to go to find them.
So Oklahoma Proven plants can be found in nurseries by looking for the Oklahoma Proven logo, but also at the Botanic Garden at Oklahoma State University, we have an Oklahoma Proven garden. And so people can visit the garden and see the actual plants being grown in the landscape and get a great idea of what they're going to look like at home.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.